Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your device and app. Open Play Store and install or update Alight Motion, then grant storage and media permissions so the app can save exports. Once done, free at least 4 GB and close background apps to avoid crashes. You should sign into your Alight account and back up any projects first, because the next steps modify settings and may require a clean start. Make sure automatic updates are off while you adjust export options. You now configure exports and apply the removal. Open your project, tap Export, and choose MP4 with your target resolution and frame rate. Higher bitrate improves quality but increases file size. If a watermark toggle appears, switch it off only after confirming a paid subscription or activation state. For subscriptions, open Account Restore Purchases or enter your original payment method. If removing via settings isn't available, double-check that your app recognizes the active subscription before exporting again. You finish by exporting and verifying the result. Export the project to local storage and immediately preview the file. Confirm the watermark is gone and playback is smooth. If the watermark remains, clear the app cache and data, reinstall Alight Motion, then restore purchases from account settings. This often reactivates your license. If problems persist, gather your purchase receipt and device info, then contact Alight Motion support for a license check. One key tip: keep receipts handy to speed up troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.